Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and for anybody who plays pool, this is a great kit that I absolutely love. I got this for my son because he loves to play pool, so do I. So we have a lot of different pool cues downstairs. These are the replacement pieces for the top. So not all pool cues have the ones that screw on and off, but for the ones that do, these are 20 pieces. They are the 13 millimeter ones. And like I said, you get 20 of them inside. So this is going to last quite a while. The quality of these are so great. It's literally like getting a brand new pool cue. You can see the suede-ish material that's on the top. That's where you're going to put your chalk on. It is really nice and just like new, and the chalk goes on it so great. Super easy. You literally unscrew the old one, take it off, grab a new one, screw it right on. They stay on nice and tight. They're super durable to be able to be hitting the ball, which is so great. I love the fact that it comes in this little box, so it's easy to keep track of. I love the fact that you get 20 pieces, and I love the fact that the shape of them are so amazing and the quality, and they last for such a long time. But that's just my point of view.